Hey everyone! Welcome to Gadgets Insider. Today, we're diving into the best makeup mirrors with pro-level clarity and magnification, all top-rated on Amazon. Let's get glowing. Number 1. HUONUL Makeup Mirror. The HUONUL Makeup Mirror Vanity Mirror with Lights is a top choice for makeup lovers. With 2x, 3x, and 10x magnification, it offers detailed viewing from every angle. The built-in 21 LED bulbs provide adjustable brightness via a touch control. Its trifold design, dual power options, and 180-degree rotation add to its convenience. Sleek, modern, and functional, it's a perfect gift for anyone who loves flawless makeup. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Kintion Pocket Mirror. The Kintion Pocket Mirror is a stylish and portable solution for on-the-go touch-ups. With 1x or 3x magnification and bright LED lighting, it offers clear, true-to-life reflection. Its compact, foldable design fits easily into any purse. The 180 degrees hinge and magnetic switch make it easy to use, a perfect gift for women of all ages. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Forpro Hand Mirror. The Forpro Professional Collection Premium Hand Mirror is a salon-style essential for everyday use. With a large square face and comfortable handle, it offers a distortion-free reflection perfect for makeup, hair styling, or grooming. Made with a durable black plastic frame, it's lightweight and easy to carry. A built-in hang hole adds convenient storage for bathroom or travel use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. HorylinnTravel Makeup Mirror. The HorylinnTravel Makeup Mirror with lights and 10x magnification is a powerful portable beauty tool. Featuring 80 dimmable LEDs with 3 light modes, it offers precision clarity for flawless makeup. The adjustable height and angle, smart auto on-off, and memory function add convenience. Its triple-fold design and USB-C rechargeable battery make it perfect for travel, touch-ups, and daily use anywhere. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Dcdcee Pocket Mirror. The Dcdcee Pocket Mirror is a compact and stylish beauty essential. With double-sided functionality, one regular mirror and one with 2x magnification, it's perfect for makeup, travel, or quick touch-ups. Its pink marble design adds elegance, while the durable, high-quality build ensures daily use. Small enough for any purse or pocket, this foldable mirror is a charming and thoughtful gift for anyone on the go. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.